Water being very important for life, I carry several different ways in my pack so I can purify water out in the field. The first thing that I always carry with me here is my backpack stove. Now there's a couple different companies that make these. This is a Coleman, but they run on the small canisters of gas. I've got a stainless steel cup that I always carry with me. That stainless steel cup I can use to boil water, to cook food. I can cook hot cereal in that. I can use that for a bunch of different ways out in the field. That's why I like that. I also carry a mini Sawyer here. It's a really popular item. You can find it in a lot of different places. The mini Sawyer comes with a few accessories. I carry them as well, but one thing that I carry extra to that is a smart water bottle. The smart water bottle's end is the same as the end on the mini Sawyer, so I could just fill that up with water wherever, screw the mini Sawyer on it, and then keep it right on moving along. I also carry a water bladder, so if I have a chance to filter extra water, I can fill up that water bladder, or I can take water that I find out in the field and throw a couple water purification tablets into it, and then that water, as I'm hiking, is basically getting purified. These are some of the items that I always carry with me. I think they're very practical, and I've actually used them quite a bit. The one other thing I'll mention about the backpack stoves, it boils water very, very quickly. So in 3 to 5 minutes, I can usually have that cup boiling really, really hard with water, so I can make my food or purify water quickly. This is Modern Refugee.